Hello everyone! Are you guys ready to draw today with Toy Time? Alright, so get your marker, and today we're going to draw a little cat wearing a panda hat. Are you guys ready? Let's start drawing the nose and drawing around the head of the panda hat. You just make one big circle. Now connect the other side. If you place your hand in the middle, you can just curve it around it. Now we're gonna draw the eyes of the panda hat. One eye, the other eye. How are you guys doing? I'm sure your drawing looks amazing. Good job, everyone! Do you like to draw with Toy Time? Subscribe to our channel. Now we're gonna keep drawing the hat. This goes around the little cat's head. Who's wearing the panda hat? A little cat is wearing the panda hat. This is the little tie. Here we go. Alright, we're almost done. We're gonna draw the panda ears. One on each side on the top of the head. Here we go. Good job, guys. So now that we drew the panda hat, we're gonna draw the cat's eyes. You make two circles, one inside the other. Here we go. Now we're gonna draw the other eye. We're gonna make another circle and another circle right around it. Remember to make the little shine of the eyes. There we go. Good job, everyone. Beautiful. Now let's draw the little cat's nose and the mouth. You guys are doing great. Thank you for drawing and coloring with Toy Time. Please subscribe to our channel so you can watch many videos on how to draw easy, cute drawings for the whole family. Alright, so now we're gonna color inside the eyes. Now I'm gonna color inside the eyes of the little panda hat. One eye. Now I'm going to color the other eye of the panda hat. I am using the same marker that I used to trace my drawing. You can use different colored pencil, you can use crayon or different colored markers. How is your drawing coming along? I'm sure it looks beautiful. You guys are great artists. Good job, everyone! So now we're just gonna reinforce some of the lines that we used to draw around the hat. You can reinforce whichever lines you think needs a little bit more of a definition. Alright, we're gonna go around the hat, around the face of the little cat that's wearing a panda hat. And now I'm going to use a pink pencil to color the nose of the little cat. Doesn't it look cute? I'm also using the pink pencil to lightly color the nose of the panda hat that the cat is wearing. I'm also going to use a darker color pink to color the outfit that the little panda is wearing. Are you guys subscribed to our channel? Hurry up and subscribe now so you can watch more videos. Your drawing looks amazing! Great job! We're almost finishing up with our drawing. I'm going to use some blue pencil to just color inside the little cat's eyes. This pencil goes over the marker. You guys can use whatever pencil you want, or you can just color the inside of the eyes the color that you want without using the black marker. Your drawing looks amazing! Great job! Wow! What a fun time we had drawing and coloring here at Toy Toy Time! Please subscribe to our channel, ask your mom, your dad, the whole family to subscribe, and also ask all your friends to subscribe to Toy Toy Time. Okay guys, I'll see you on our next coloring adventure. Subscribe!